Bakit nga ba wala kang mabibili na small run shoe na show potential na mura? Tara, pag-usapan natin. First of all, kung hindi ka breeder, medyo hindi mo to magigets. Pero i-explain ko sa inyo in the simplest way I can. Let's start with breeding. Yes, marami mga itlog ang mga goldfish. It can be hundreds or thousands. Ang dami, di ba? Pero hindi lahat yan magiging magandang quality. Karamihan dyan may deformities, may swimming problem, or single tail, especially kung ang binibreed mo is mga fancy goldfish. So let's just say na 1,000, magiging kalahati na lang kung swerte ka. Pero para realistic, sabihin na lang natin na 20% to 30%, so meron kang 300 na natira na magandang quality. And of course, para makuha mo yung quality na yun, you have to do a culling procedure. Which also, you need to pay kasi expertise yun ng breeder. Kumbaga, binabayaran mo sila for their expertise. Like you, tatrabaho ka sa isang business and of course, binabayaran ka ng business owner para dun sa expertise mo sa ginagawa mong trabaho. Same as the breeder, kailangan mo siyang bayaran for the expertise na meron siya. And also for the labor, kailangan mo rin bayaran kasi nag-water change sila, nagme-maintain sila, nagpapakain sila, and that takes time. And time is money. So kung tatanungin mo ang isang breeder, meron ka ba yung show potential na nasa 150 pesos lang? Wag na, baka mainis lang sa'yo si breeder. Unless okay lang sa'yo ang pet grade. Kasi look at this. Bakit ibebenta ng mga breeder yung show quality ng mura kung pwede nilang palakihin muna para mas mabenta nila ng mas mahal? Unless you are ready to pay for the future quality ng show potential goldfish na bibilin mo kay seller. So, ang binabayaran mo is yung future quality ng goldfish. And some of us will call it investment. Especially kung ikaw ay nag-i-invest at kung magastos para sumali sa mga show. Gets mo? Business perspective, lugi sila. Kasi mababa yung percentage na kukuha natin na magandang goldfish every breeding. So kung meron kang show potential, maganda yung quality, smooth yung curve, that goldfish is rare. Kasi out of 1,000, there's only 200 or less na magandang goldfish. Actually, swerte na nga yung 20 to 30% na percentage ng magandang quality ng goldfish eh. Kasi kung tatanungin mo talaga yung mga legit breeder talaga, yung marunong talaga magkilatis, sa 1,000 of eggs, swerte ka na kung meron kang 50. Yun lang guys, I hope na intindihan nyo tong topic na to, and if you have question, comment down below. And kung hindi ka pa nakapollow, follow ka na. Sige na. With that said, if you're looking for a cute goldfish imported from Thailand, message me. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you. See you on the next one. Bye!
You